Hey guys, welcome to Relax Backyard Archer. I built this custom-made sofa recently. I want to quickly go through the dimension details. Okay, this is not a traditional sofa that you can see with the dimensions that you see in the YouTube videos, several YouTube videos. I made it slightly bigger because I can use it as a sofa bed as well. Okay, so number one, the depth of the sofa is 30 inch. Then the height is from the floor to the top of the handrest is 26 inch. I used 4x4 for the legs to get an elegant look. Then for the side frames I used 2x6. Then the seating area I used 2x4. The cushions that I used, okay, there's one mistake I did. I requested for a real foam cushion since I'm going to leave it in my patio. I don't want to just the seating area with just a batting that you find usually in the Lowe's and Home Depot. This is actual cushion. So what happened when I requested real foam, they got me the one, but when I sat, I found I need to increase the height of the handrest. So I added one more 2x4 on top of 4x4. But otherwise, the designs are the same. And even this, by adding this, does not give any bad look, okay? Few other things. So it's an 8 feet wide. So I have to split the cushion into two parts. Then the pillows, to get the 15-degree angle when you sit, right, relax, I have to make it really thick. That means 10-inch thickness. And the length of the pillows are like 24 inch, then height is 20 inch. The sources of the materials, okay, so what do you see in the wood? In terms of the wood, I got it from Lowe's and Home Depot, but the fabrics, I got it from I got the cloth, which is basically an umbrella cloth for the seating area and pillows from H&R Fabrics. It's a great shop. And I have to give a special thanks to Jim. He made a great pillows to me from Mattress Factory, and the seating, okay, cushions, all came out fabulous. The coating, the stain that I decided, I don't want to go for dark, neither I want to keep it light, because I just installed the paper, which is black, so it needs to go there as well. So I chose to go for weathered oak. That is coming out well. That means you still see the natural wood colors, grains and all the stuff. At the same time, there's a slight color change. So when I'm going to use exterior polyurethane on top of this, it's going to give a little more darker look. So far good, and once I finish this, I'm going to show you guys a quick video about the final product, okay? Thank you.